Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Veg Flower. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. On this channel, I make soap, handmade soap, and I also do entrepreneur series. So if that's something you're interested in, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get new videos and updates on what I'm doing on my business and also with the soaps. So today we're going to talk about the benefits of turmeric and tea tree. I wanted to make something that was good to give you a glowy skin and also to fight acne. So I created a formula that's going to help fight those things. You're going to get a glowy skin, and also you'll be able to get rid of your acne. So I did a turmeric and tea tree soap. Turmeric is really good for blemishes, dark spot, and also just getting that natural glow. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, so it's really good for your skin. And you can also make it into a face mask. Most people usually make it into a face mask if they want a glowy skin or to fight acne. I also added tea tree. Tea tree is used for a lot of things. In this soap, I used tea tree essential oil, so it has that scent, and it also has all those benefits for tea tree. Tea tree is antiseptic, so it's really good for oily skin because people use it to clean the wounds and then dress the wounds afterwards. It has antibacterial. It's used as a natural deodorant, so if you don't like to use those deodorants that have harsh chemicals, you can use tea tree. You can just apply tea tree and it's gonna keep your armpits or wherever you might need to deodorize really fresh throughout the day. It also cures nail fungus, which is another reason why I wanted to put it in my soap, because some people get nail fungus. You know, you shouldn't be ashamed of it. It's something that you should deal with. It helps get rid of nail fungus, whether it's on your hands or your feet. Most of the time it's on the feet because we wear our shoes a lot and our feet are not able to breathe. So fungus is more likely to grow there because that place is always covered. It also soothes the skin, like it also soothes inflamed skin. So if you have irritating skin, it's good to apply it and it will help soothe that area. That's the reason why I wanted to make this turmeric and tea tree oil, to really get rid of those acne and give you a glowy, natural glowy skin. Yeah, most people say that it stains their skin, but it doesn't. I don't use a large amount of it to the point where it's gonna stain your skin. It's just gonna give you a little glowy touch. It's not gonna be overpowering. Also, I use a white washcloth to wash my face with the turmeric and tea tree soap, and it will stain the washcloth for a little bit while you apply the soap on it, but after you wash it off, it does come off. So if you're using a white washcloth, it will completely come off and your washcloth will go back to being white, so it doesn't really stain the clothes and stay on it. If you wash it off, it will come off. But yeah, that's it for my benefit of my turmeric and tea tree soap. So I used only turmeric and tea tree essential oil, nothing else. The base oil that I used are olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter. I'm adding shea butter to my mixture because it's a really good moisturizing agent. So it's gonna give the soap a lot of bubbles and also keep the soap moisturizing to the skin. And yeah, this soap is vegan. I don't use lard or any harsh chemicals. It's also not animal tested. It's also just good for your skin. It's some skin loving ingredients. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the verse of the day for today, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the soap making. So the verse of the day is from Psalms 27 verse 4, New King James Version. It says, "One thing I have desired of the Lord, that will I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord, and to inquire in his temple. That's the verse of the day for today. Thanks again for watching. And again, if you're new and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Make sure you share the video so that you can help support my channel, and make sure you share it with your aunties and uncles and friends and everybody in your network. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with the soap making. You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back. You can't show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at, and turn it back around. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me. All the blood, sweat, and sacrifice. Oh, I paid the dearest price. There no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going at, and turn it back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me now. This is the calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop.